Okay, my dear students, good morning everyone. Actually, before class we have discussed about the what is the fraction, what is the rational fraction, what is types of fractions, proper, improper, and how to the means split into the proper fraction to the partial fraction. Already explained. How many methods are there? 5 methods, and I explained 1 or 2 problems. Now today we are going to show more problems on this partial fractions. Okay, my dear students, going on. Okay, one by one we will do. Every type I will explain one problem. After that we will complete the remaining problems. Okay. Suppose x square integral of 3x minus 2 by x plus 1 whole square into x plus 3 dx. Integral of 3x minus 2 by x plus 1 whole square into x plus 1 whole square into x plus 3 dx. Okay, my dear students, observe that here x power 1 linear, here x square into x cube. This is proper fraction. 100% we will go to the partial fractions. What is that? 3x minus 2 by x plus 1 whole square into x plus 3. Okay, my dear students, here observe that here x plus 1 whole square linear factor repeated 2 times and this is non-repeated. 2 plus 1, 3 variables means 3 constants, not variables, 3 constants. A by, how to write? X plus 1 first. Next b by, how many times repeated? X plus 1 whole square plus c by x plus 3. A by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 1 whole square plus c by x plus 3. Here linear repeated. Okay, understood or not? Now take the LCM. 3x minus 2 by x plus 1 whole square into x plus 3 is equal to, what is the LCM is going on? X plus 1 into x plus 1 whole square into x plus 3. X plus 1 into x plus 1 whole square into x plus 3. Okay, my dear students. Now x plus 1 cancel. What are the remaining terms? X plus 1 whole square. A into, what the LCM means here? Not x plus 1, just x plus 1 whole square. X plus 1 into x plus 1 whole square into x plus 3 means 100% x plus 1 whole square into x plus, not x plus 1. Okay. Now a by x plus 1. What happened? Here x plus 1 whole square means x plus 1 is missing. 1 x plus 1 will go. X plus 1 whole square in this x plus, how many times? X plus 1 times into x plus 3 plus x plus 1 whole square cancel, b into x plus 3 plus c into x plus 3 gone, x plus 1 whole square cancel. Next what happened? 3x minus 2 is equal to a into x plus 1 into x plus 3 plus b into x plus 3 plus c into x plus 1 whole square. Now substitute here x value is equal to minus 1. Put x is equal to minus 1, what happened? X is equal to minus 1 means 3 into minus 1, minus 3, minus 2. 3 into minus 1, minus 3, minus 2, minus 5 is equal. Whenever I write the x minus 1, this is 0, this is 0. Minus 1 plus 3 means 2b. b is equal to minus 5 by 2. Okay, my dear students. Now I have to write x is equal to minus 3. Put x is equal to minus 3. Put x is equal to minus 3 means 3 into minus 3. 3 into minus 3 means minus 9, minus 2, minus 11 is equal to, this is 0. Whenever I write the x is equal to minus 3 plus 3, 0 into something 0, this is 0. Minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1 means minus 2 whole square means 4c. Therefore, c value is equal to minus 11 by 4. Okay, we will get the value of b and c. Now we will get the coefficient of x square on both sides. Coefficient of x square, comparison of coefficient of x square is easy. Now coefficient of x square on both sides. Here in this one, this side no coefficient of x square, only coefficient of x is there, constant is there. No coefficient of x square means 0. LHS side, no coefficient of x square. Here observe that here multiply, per suppose x into x square X square coefficient actually 1, 1 into b before is a is there. Remaining no need 100%. X into x, x square, x into 3x, 3x, 1 into x, x 1. Here only x into x means x square only. Now what I am going? Coefficient of x square only. Now x square coefficient 100% a plus. Here no x square coefficient. Leave that one. C into a plus b whole square formula. A square means x square. X square coefficient 100% c. Therefore, a is equal to minus c. C value minus 11 by 4 means a value is 11 by 4. Now substitute each and every one here. Integral of I is equal to integral of this value nothing but this value. A by what is the value of a? A value is equal to 11 by 4 by x plus 1 dx plus b value b by minus pi by 2 by x plus 1 whole square dx plus last one c by c means minus 11 by 4 by x plus 3 dx. Okay, my dear students. Here 11 by 4 is the constant. Integral of 1 by x means log x plus minus pi by 2 is the constant. Here integral of 1 by x square. Integral of 1 by x square means minus 1 by x. Minus 1 by x. Integral of 1 by x square minus 1 by x plus this is minus 11 by 4. Integral of 1 by x again log x plus 3 plus c. Okay, next step 11 by 4 into log mod x plus 1 minus into minus plus 5 by 2 into x plus 1 plus minus 11 by 4 into log mod x plus 3 plus c. In this way we will complete the problems. Next we are going to the next problem. Okay students, observe that or not, we will do in this way. Okay my dear students. Okay my dear students, we are going to the next problem. This is the next problem. Here x square plus x plus 1 by x plus 1 into x square plus 1. My dear students, here observe that degree is 2. Here x into x square means x cube. 100% degree is 3. This is the proper fraction. This is the linear 100%. Whenever it is x square means it is 100% quadratic. It is irreducible or reducible. It is not possible. Okay. X square plus 1 have no factors. X square minus 1 have factors. First observe that. Perhaps in the denominator quadratic expression is given. First we will try it have the linear factors or not. Okay. Linear factors or not means delta we will find per suppose. What is the means delta? Discriminant b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac whenever less than 0 the roots are complex means have factors but have no real factors. But here a value is 1, b value is 0. Whenever b value is 0 minus 4ac means 100% less than 0. It has no factors. It has no linear factors. It means real factors. It has imaginary factors, no problem at all. That is another way. Okay, my dear students. That's why you will take x square plus x plus 1 by x plus 1 into x square plus 1. First, what about this? This is 100% linear. Linear means a by x plus 1 plus this is x square plus 1. It is the quadratic expression. It is irreducible. Means a after b c. Whenever the quadratic expression in the numerator must should the linear. That is bx plus c by x square plus 1, my dear students. Our goal is we find the values of a, b and c. Okay. Now take the LCM. 100% this one cancel. This side this one, this side this one. What happened? X square plus x plus 1 is equal to a into LCM is this one cancel means a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into 100% x plus 1. Now both side LCM cancel. Now x is equal to minus 1. First we substitute that one only. Only one linear factor. Whenever it is 0 means x is equal to minus 1. Put x is equal to minus 1, what happened? Put x is equal to minus 1. Here minus 1 whole square means 1 plus 1 minus x value minus 1 plus 1 is equal to a into x value minus 1 whole square means 1 plus 1 means 2 plus x value minus 1 plus 1 means 0. Total is 0, that is 0. This is minus 1 plus 1 cancel, therefore a is equal 1 is equal to a means 1 by 2. A value is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Now both sides comparing the coefficient of x square. What happened? Okay. Now x square coefficients. Both sides comparing. X square coefficient means 1 is equal to x square coefficient is a plus x square coefficient is a. Here bx into x, bx square means plus b. Plus b. Bx into x means bx square. X square coefficient is b. A value already 1 by 2. 1 is equal to 1 by 2 plus b. Okay, my dear friends. Now b is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. That equal to 1 by 2. Now we are going to the next x coefficients or constants. We will go directly. Not x coefficients. Constant means here a c into 1 constants. Directly we will get the constants. Okay, not x coefficient, c. Coefficient of c. Constants. Both sides comparing the constant. What are the constant terms? Here 1 is equal to. Here constant means this one into this one. A into 1 a plus. Okay. Here again constant bx into x, bx square, bx into x, c into x. No, this is c into 1, that is plus c. C is the constant. Okay, my dear students. C is equal to what is the formula? 1 minus a. Therefore, c is equal to 1 minus a means 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 means 1 by 2. I hope that you get all the values. Now, integration I is equal to integral of this value means this one a value means 1 by 2 by x plus 1 dx plus this one integral of bx. B value is 1 by 2x plus c value is 1 by 2 by x square plus 1 dx. Okay, my dear students. Now here 1 by 2 100% constant this side. Integral of 1 by x means log mod of x plus 1 plus here 1 by 2 taken common out. Both are 1 by 2. Let us separate first. This one by this one plus this one by this one. No problem at all. Separate. Okay. 1 by 2 into x by x square plus 1 dx. Separation. Okay. This one by this one plus 1 by 2 into 1 by x square plus 1 dx. Okay, my dear students. Now, this is 1 by 2 into log mod x plus 1 plus what happened? Log mod x plus 1 plus here x by x square plus 1. Any method you have to go? F dash of x by f of x. Integral of f dash of x by f. Denominator derivative occurs in the numerator. X square derivative how much? 2x, 1 derivative is 0. 2 missing. Into 2 by 2. What happened this one? 1 by 4. 2x by x square plus 1 dx. Plus 1 by 2 into, this is integral of 1 by 1 plus x square means tan inverse of x. 1 by 1 plus x square means tan inverse of x plus c. This is equal to 1 by 2 log mod x plus 1 plus 1 by 4. What about this? F dash of x by f of x. Log mod f of x. Log mod x square plus 1 plus 1 by 2 tan inverse of x plus c. Okay, my dear students. Next, we are going to next problem. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem. X square plus 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6. Observe that first it is a proper or not. Here x square is there, denominator also x square is there. It is not a proper fraction, it is improper fraction. 100% we are going to the division. F of x by g of x is equal to, what is the formula? F of x by g of x is equal to quotient plus remainder by g of x. Okay, my dear students. Remainder we don't know, but okay, that one. F of x by g of x. Whenever, observe that, whenever the numerator coefficient, denominator coefficient, we cannot differentiate. Okay, that means we cannot means long division. Okay, x square plus 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to. Here the numerator denominator powers equal. Here quotient must and should. What is the quotient? Directly you will write. The quotient must and should. This is, for suppose, x square plus 1 by, denominator is 100% the factors. What are the factors? Means x minus 2 into x minus 3. No doubt at all. Okay, no problem at all. Observe that is there. Whenever the numerator degree, denominator degree both are equal, means this is improper fraction. We cannot go to the division. We cannot go to the division. Whenever equal degrees is given, we cannot go to the division. Directly we write the answer. What the answer means? That is equal. First we write the quotient. What is the quotient? The quotient means the coefficient of x square in numerator and denominator. X square coefficient is 1. X square coefficient is 1. 1 by 1 means 1. For suppose here x square, here 2x square. For suppose 1 by 2. Okay, my dear students. This is 1 plus. After that, how many linear factors are there? 2 linear factors. Means a by x minus 2 plus b by x minus 3. Now, partial fractions. Simply, we will take the LCM. Understood or not? How to write the quotient here? Quotient is 1 means x square x. Whenever numerator denominator both have the same degree. In this way, we apply this formula. Okay, what is this one? Here LCM cancel. What is the remaining? X square plus 1 is equal. Here 1 into means x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus a into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 2. Put x is equal to, put x is equal to, here 2 is there, 2 square plus 1 means 5, 100% this is 0, no problem at all. Here 2 means minus a, that implies a value is equal minus 5. Okay, my dear students, put x is equal 3, x is equal 3, 3 square means 9 plus 1, 10 is equal to, x value 3, 3 minus 3 means 0, 0, 3 minus 2 means b, b is equal 10. Now substitute what happened? Therefore, I is equal to integral of this value is equal to this one, 1 plus a value means minus 5 by x minus 2 plus b value 10 by x minus 3 dx. Directly write integral of 1 dx means x minus 5 into integral of 1 by x means log mod x means x minus 2 plus integral of 10 constant integral of 1 by x log mod x minus 3 plus c. Okay, my dear students, in this way we will complete the problems. Okay, my dear students, next problem, we are going to the next problem, means another type. I will explain only one problem for each type. Okay, we will complete after remaining problems in the same way. Okay, here x cube by x square, the numerator degree is greater than the denominator degree. It is improper, not equal. Before problem equal, but this problem not equal, means 100% division is going on. What is that one? X cube plus x plus 1 is divisible by x square minus 1. First here x square is there, x cube is there. How many times? X times. X square into x cube minus 1 into x minus x. This is minus, this is plus. Okay, these two are cancelled. X plus x means 2x. 2x here plus 1. 2x plus 1. Up to means again no need. Here degree is 2, degree is 1, less than. Denominator degree is less than. Now how to write? Now f of x by g of x is equal formula. F of x by g of x is equal quotient plus remainder by g of x. Okay, my dear students. Now f of x by g of x means x cube plus x plus 1 by x square minus 1 is equal to q of x means x plus r of x means remainder is 2x plus 1 by x square minus 1. Already I explained the shortcut method. You will use the shortcut method here also. Okay, x plus here 2x plus 1 by x square minus 1 means x minus 1 into x plus 1, linear factors, non-repeated linear. How to find the values of this is split into the two partial fractions. How to? First you write the, here observe that x plus, you write the first x minus 1, already I explained that one. First linear factor will write. Whenever it is 0, x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1, substitute other than this one. X is equal to 1, substitute other than this one. 2 into 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. Yeah, simple. Plus second linear factor. This is x plus 1. Whenever it is 0, x is equal to minus 1. You substitute the x is equal to minus 1 other than this one. X is equal to minus 1 means 2 into minus 1, minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1, minus 1 by minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. Minus 1 by minus 2 means 1 by 2. Okay, my dear students, understood? Okay, write down here. I is equal to integral of total what happened? This is x plus 3 by 2 by x minus 1 plus 1 by 2 by x plus 1. Here dx. Integral of x dx. X square by 2 plus 3 by 2 is constant. Integral of 1 by x minus 1 is log mod x minus 1 plus 1 by 2 integral of log mod x plus 1 plus c. Okay, my dear students. Next, we are going to next problem. Okay, my dear students, we are going to next problem. What is this one? X square by x square plus 1 into x square plus 4. Already I explained this one in the properties. In the rational function f of x and g of x have a even powers of x. Here observe that the function numerator x square, denominator every function have even powers of x. 100% it is proper, no problem at all. Proper function. Why? Because this is x square, here x power 4, no doubt at all. Okay, my dear students, 100%. Now, here numerator, it have x power even, here denominator also, every term x power even, x power even. That's why I am telling you, let something x square is equal to y. Now you will take first this one, x square by x square plus, after partial fractions we will do the, okay, that one. Let here x square is equal to y. What happened this one? X square is equal to y means y by, here observe that x square is equal to y by y plus 1 into y plus 4. Y plus 1 into y plus 4. I already explained the shortcut method. You going on the shortcut method. This is y plus 1. First write the y plus 1. Whenever it is 0, y value minus 1. Substitute minus 1 by minus 1 plus 3. Minus 1 by 3. Plus here y plus 4. Otherwise, we will take a by y plus 1 plus b by y plus 4. No problem at all. Okay. Y plus, whenever it is 0, y value minus 4. Y value minus 4. Y value minus 4. Minus 4 by minus 4 plus 1. Minus 4 plus 1. Minus 3. Minus 4 by minus 4 plus 1 means minus 3 means 4 by 3. Okay, my dear students. A value minus 1 by 3, b value 4 by 3. Now, substitute. This is equal to minus 1 by 3 into y value. What is the y value? X square plus 1 plus 4 by 3 into, what is the y value? X square plus 4. Now integration will take the integral. Therefore, I is equal to integral of this value, nothing but this value. What is this? This value is equal to this value. Minus 1 by 3 x square plus 1 plus 4 by 3 x square plus 4 dx. Separation. Minus 1 by 3 integral of 1 by x square plus 1 dx plus 4 by 3 integral of 1 by x square plus 4 is there. 4 write as 2 square dx. Now apply the formula. 1 by 1 plus x square means tan inverse of x. Minus 1 by 3 integral of 1 by 1 plus x square means tan inverse of x plus 4 by 3 into integral of 1 by x square plus a square or a square plus x square. A square plus x square formula 1 by integral of 1 by a square plus x square formula 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. 1 by a value 2. 1 by a tan inverse of x by a means 2 plus c. This is 2 ones are 2 2s are cancelled. What happened? That equal to minus 1 by 3 tan inverse of x plus 2 by 3 tan inverse of x by 2 plus c. Okay, my dear students. In this way, we will do the next problem. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem. What is the next problem? Integral of x square plus 1 into x square plus 2 by x square plus 3 into x square plus 4. Actually, we know we have no idea, but suppose about the problem. We will face the lot of the problems, but already explained that one. It is 100%. The rational polynomial have in the numerator and denominator have the even powers of x. Each and every term, not particular one term, each and every term. Here, even powers of x, even powers of x, even powers of x. Whenever even powers of x, that even power is equal to y. What happened? Okay. What is given? X square plus 1 by x square plus 1 into x square plus 2 by x square plus 3 into x square plus 4, my dear students. Here, for suppose let x square is equal to y. What happened? X square is equal to y means this is y plus 1 into y plus 2 by y plus 3 into y plus 4. Immediately, it is a proper or improper? Y into y, y square, y into y, y square. Numerator degree, denominator degree same. Means improper. Improper and degrees are same. What I am told? What I am telling? Whenever the improper degrees are same, quotient is always the highest power coefficient term. Okay, that is called here quotient. F of x by division, f of x by g of x. F of x by g of x means first quotient. How to write the quotient? Means coefficient of the highest power in numerator and denominator. Y into y, y square coefficient 100% 1. Y into y, y square coefficient 100% 1. Means here the quotient is 100% 1. Now what are the going on? Remainder by this one. Here 100% this is the linear factor. First write the linear factor, y plus 3. Whenever it is 0, y value minus 3. Y value minus 3 substitute other than this one. Minus 3 plus 1 means minus 2. This is minus 1. Minus 2 into minus 1, 2 by. Minus 3 plus 4 means 1. This is 2 by. Plus. Next y plus 4 you write. Y value minus 4. Y value minus 4 other than this one. Y value minus 4 means this is minus 3. Minus 3, y value minus 4. This is minus 2. 6 by y value minus 4. Minus 1. 6 by minus 1 means minus 6. Here that is equal to 1 plus 2 by y value. Y is equal to x square. X square plus 3 minus 6 by here x square plus 4, my dear students. Now we are going to the integration. Now integral I is equal to this one. What about this value means this one. 1 plus 2 by x square plus 3 minus 6 by x square plus 4 dx. Now separation. Integral of 1 dx here. Integral of 1 dx plus 2 constant. Integral of 1 by x square plus 3 write as root 3 whole square dx minus 6 constant. 1 by x square plus 4 write as 2 square dx. Why? Because I am writing here 1 by x square plus a square formula. 1 by x square plus a square. Okay, my dear students. Integral of 1 dx means x plus 2 into this is 1 by x square plus a square. 1 by a. 1 by root 3 tan inverse of x by root 3 minus 6 into here 1 by a. 1 by 2 tan inverse of x by 2 plus c. Here x plus 2 by root 3 tan inverse of x by root 3 minus 3 tan inverse of x by 2 plus c. Okay, my dear students. Okay, in this way we will do the problems. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem. Integral of 1 by x into x power n plus 1 dx. Very, very important. You remember the formula after completion of this one. Just we remember the formula for this one. Integral of 1 by x into x power n plus 1 or integral of 1 by x into x power n minus 1. Very, very important one. Okay, my dear students. Now, let I is equal to this numerator and denominator multiplying with x power n minus 1. What happened, my dear students? The nr and er multiplying with, otherwise we cannot do anything. Okay, x power n minus 1 y. Okay, just see this is equal to integral of I is equal x power n minus 1 by denominator x is there, x into x power n minus 1, x into x power n minus 1 means x power n into x power n plus 1, that is into dx. Now substitution is going on. X power n is equal to t. What happened? X power n is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. X power n derivative n into x power n minus 1 into dx is equal to dt. Now we want only x power n minus 1 dx. X power n minus 1 dx is equal to dt by n. X power n minus 1 dx is equal to dt by n. Okay, my dear students. Okay. Now substitute. What happened? Here, that is dt by n by this is t into t plus 1. Here what is the constant? 1 by n is the constant. Okay, my dear students. 1 by n integral of 1 by n integral of 1 by t into t plus 1 into dt. Now partial fraction directly we will do integral of, you know, first t. First take t, whenever t it is 0, t value is 0. Not substituting this one, remaining 0 plus 1 means 1 plus t plus 1 will take. Whenever it is 0, t is equal to minus 1. T is equal to minus 1, not substituting this one. T is equal to minus 1 means minus 1 to dt. Now 1 by t into t plus 1 write as in this way. For suppose you take the LCM again, we will get this one. Now 1 by n into, here integral means log mod t minus log mod t plus 1 plus c. That equal to 1 by n into log mod t by t plus 1 plus c. That equal to 1 by n into log mod t means, what is the t? T means x power n. X power n by x power n plus 1 plus c. Okay, my dear students, in this way. What is the formula? You remember this formula, integral of 1 by x into x power n plus or minus 1, no problem at all, into dx is equal to 1 by n into log mod x power n by x power n plus 1 plus c. Okay, here t value is 0, okay, 1. For suppose in the examination pointer, find 1 by x into x power 4 minus 1 dx, per suppose. Here n value is 100%, what happened? 4. What happened? 1 by 4 into log of x power 4 by n value 4 means x power 4 plus 1. This is the direct answer. For competitive exam purpose, it is very, very important, my dear students. Okay, I hope that you understood. Okay, all types of problems. Okay, please do the remaining problems. If you have any doubts, please contact me. Thank you, one and all.